Here's how to enable instant deposits on Robinhood. The only real requirement is that you link your bank account with Plaid, so you can't just input your bank account details. You actually have to go through kind of linking it with Plaid. You don't have to have a Plaid account, but you do have to add a bank account that way. So to do that, you'd go to your account dropdown and then go down to transfers. Inside here is also where you would start an instant transfer or instant deposit. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find your linked accounts or your bank accounts. When you're adding a bank account, you would add a new account, select bank account, and then it's going to pop open with the ability for you to basically use Plaid to connect your bank account. That's what you need to do to have instant transfers or instant deposits. You don't have to input your phone number. You can actually come down here to the bottom and continue as a guest and then select your bank and then link that to your platform or to this platform. Now, if you exit out of this and say, yes, I'm sure I want to exit, it actually does pop open the link bank account. So this is how you could link an account without Plaid, but then you can't do instant transfers. When you do have a bank account linked, then your instant deposit will be available in this transfer money section. So we click on that. And then inside of here, you're going to choose how much you want to transfer. Let's say $5. You're going to choose the bank account that you want to transfer from, the account on Robinhood you want to transfer to, and the frequency. And then you go to review your transfer. And it still won't pop up yet, but then we say, okay, all this information's good, so transfer the $5. And this is where the eligibility window will pop up. So as long as you have that bank account linked with Plaid that you're transferring to or from, then this window will pop up to start an instant deposit. And so you can actually click Start Instant Deposit right here. And that's going to basically, well, actually, I'll go ahead and do it for you. So we'll click Start Instant Deposit. What that's going to do is send your bank account information. And so you're basically going to have to go check your bank to, whether it's a push notification or an email, it's going to basically accept the transfer, the instant transfer. And so you're going to have to go approve that on your bank and then come back here. If you don't do that, eventually that transfer will fall off. Basically, it'll be canceled. And so once you've completed the steps, you just click that button. So you go to your bank's app, you go to your email, something like that, and you'll be able to do this. That's how you can do an instant deposit or enable instant deposits on Robinhood.